In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to switch accounts on Binance. By using multiple accounts, users can isolate high-risk activities from long-term investments, better organize their financial records, and maintain clearer oversight of performance across strategies. To do this, simply head to Binance. You want to tap right here and head to your profile. You will then click onto this option of Switch Account. You will find the other account right here, so you just need to tap on it to log in. Now, if you want to add another account, simply tap onto this plus icon to either log into another account or simply create a new account. This enhances security and operational efficiency, especially for professional traders or institutions, by allowing specific permissions and access controls for each account. Well, that's how easy it is to switch accounts on Binance. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.